Hi y'all, welcome to Moody's channel. I'm your host Moody. We are doing an unboxing today and we're in for a special treat. This unboxing is a quarterly one. It's World's Finest Collection. This is an Amazon subscription that I get. It's around 50 bucks. It usually has 6 to 7 items. And this month's theme, which I'm super excited for, is DC's Flashpoint. Right off the bat, the box art is pretty awesome. It has a Flash. On the back, it has a reverse Flash. It has Thomas Wayne as Batman in the Flashpoint universe. Let's open it up and see what good stuff is inside. First thing is very nice Flash hat. Love the color, love the logo. Big Flash fan. Love the series. I love the WB series. It's great. I actually watched Flashpoint as well, and Flashpoint is a really good movie. If you haven't watched it, please do. It's definitely like alternate world type of deal. Flash, breaks the universe by going back in time and saving his mom, and that causes a rift in the way the world got formed, or the way the world, everything else happened in the world. So if you haven't watched it, please do, and that's why everything in here kind of is a little bit different. So we'll see what other figurines that might be about the Flashpoint universe. But great hat. Next thing is some Cyborg Socks. It's nice little tube socks. Get a better look at that. Everything in here is like is basically a special item or exclusive to CultureFly, which is pretty cool. Socks. Right. See the next thing. LED desk light, Flash. Again, a built by CultureFly desk light. Let's open it up. Nice, cool little light. I'm sure my son will love it. Every time I get one of these, he likes to put them up in his room, just light them all up. It's pretty cool. And let's see what else is in here. Nice little tumbler. Looks like a Flash tumbler, of course. Flashpoint, Flash tumbler. Travel mug. Has like it has scenes from Flashpoint. It has scenes from Flashpoint on it. Some of the scenes is where Flash, because if you haven't seen it, but Flash, when he changes the way history goes, and he loses his power, and then as things progress in the story, he wants to get his powers back. So there's like a scene here where he's trying to get his powers back, and all the different destruction and issues that he faces in Flashpoint, which is pretty great. Feel the shirt. Let's see the shirt. This shirt is it's a Batman shirt, but it's the logo that Thomas Wayne wears, because he is the Batman in Flashpoint and not Bruce. Actually, in this version, Bruce dies instead of his father during that when they leave the opera. So like if you know the original story of Batman, his parents die when they leave the opera and they're getting mugged, and instead of his parents dying, actually Bruce dies, and Thomas Wayne becomes the Batman, which is, it's a pretty crazy twist. So watch the movie and definitely get to see what that looks like. Let's see how the shirt looks. Try it on. It actually feels real nice. It is long sleeve, which is good, but you know, this is supposed to be a spring box, so I was expecting like a spring shirt, you know, like either those half sleeve or the short sleeves, really a long sleeve. That doesn't really speak spring, but I like the feel of it, and it's awesome logo, which Batman, so can't go wrong there. But it's a great shirt, but I'm probably not gonna wear it for spring. Maybe I'll wear it in the fall. We'll see. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, it's World's Finest Wonder Woman versus Aquaman collectible coin. It's got some weight to it. It's actually nice. Wonder Woman's on one side, and it looks like Aquaman on the other. So get a it's a nice coin. Flip it. Wonder Woman. Nice. Yep, says Wonder Woman, Flashpoint, Aquaman, Flashpoint. I like these. Hefty. Let's see what's next. I think we only have, this might be the last thing. There is a figurine. Nice. All right, figurine is Batman, Flashpoint. It actually is the Thomas Wayne Batman from Flashpoint. That's vinyl figurine. Again, a World's Finest collection built by CultureFly, original. You want to take a look at that? Let's open it up and get you a closer look. So the hands, the arms, nothing really moves. It's just like a standing figurine. Here it is. Right, I think that was it. Yep, that was, oh, nope, there's one more item. Awesome. Actually, ooh, it is a Flashpoint pin. Actually, I don't think I ever got a pin in this box before. This might be my first pin from World's Finest, and it's actually really nice. It is basically the Flash, you know, running, but being like torn apart when he was, I think, trying to fix Flashpoint. Okay, that is everything. Actually, I really like this box a lot. There's a lot of great art inside of it. Normally the boxes I give from all these subscription boxes are super plain, but this one, like, they kind of went all out with the different designs. And that's it for World's Finest Flashpoint. Let's review what we got. The Thomas Wayne figurine, Batman. Flashpoint pin, old coin of Aquaman and Wonder Woman Flashpoint. The Cyborg Socks. Flash Hat. Flash desk light. The travel mug. Fits a theme, Flashpoint, a lot of Flashpoint things in it, a lot of things that have to do with the Flash. I love the Flash, so that's a plus for me. Oh, and the shirt. Yeah, and you know, you got Flash, Batman, so all in all, great box. I think the value is there. Let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and you know, looking forward to the next quarterly box. We also have a couple other boxes coming. I have a Geek Fuel one that should be uploading a video soon. And then we have the next Zabby Z box as well coming, which is Monsters Immune. So if you're looking forward to that, subscribe so you can see those videos as well when they get uploaded. Well, that's it for me. We'll see you later.